Have you guys ever saw one of those videos that has all those annoying sounds in it? Yeah. That's what my video is gonna be. I hope you all enjoyed this picture, because it'll be the only one that you'll be seeing. Yeah, sorry! Is the internet crying? I mean, what is that?